Hey, what's up guys? This is Zac with Sydenstricker Nobbe John Deere. I am in the glorious Roachport, Missouri today, and I am wanting to go over our 3025D Bulldog package. This is one of our packages that we offer in many of the lines and packages that we offer in our compact series tractors, okay? But guys, I'm here today to just go over some little bit of information so you can get to know a little bit more about this tractor. Obviously, before maybe if you're taking a look at it, or obviously before you maybe want to purchase it as well. Okay, so guys, just like a lot of the other videos you're going to see of me, I just want to first verify what this tractor is, the model, the horsepower, the trim level, what you're actually looking at. Okay, so this is part of our 3 Series line. All right, so this is a 3 Series 3025D. So the 25 stands for the horsepower at 25 horse. And this is our D series, which is our D trim level, okay? You'll also find this particular series and maybe the E trim level or even the R, okay? Those are some other options that we do have, okay? Now, just to talk specifically about the Bulldog, the 3D package, you can get this particular tractor in a 35 horse and a 43. So if you're thinking this is a great overall size tractor, but I want a little bit more punch, I want a little bit more something to work with, a little bit more horsepower, then we do have those options, which are great, okay? Guys, this tractor is roughly about 5 foot long, or 5 foot wide, I should say. Roughly about 14 foot long, weighs roughly almost 3,000 pounds. So it has great weight for overall, depending on which work that you want to do. Great for loader work, great for ground maintenance work, and just overall, just size-wise, this is one of our more popular tractors that we do sell. Now, I get a lot of questions from customers say, Zac, why is this the D tractor? How does this tractor, put itself apart from the E series and even the R series? Well, it's a great question. So this particular D series tractor only comes in a standard transmission, okay? It has an 8.8 power reverser transmission. That's got 2 ranges, an A and B range, and 4 different gears in each one of those ranges, in forward and in reverse, okay? Which is something that's, once again, asked quite a bit, okay? It has single independent braking, so 1 brake pedal with differential lock too. So it's, when you talk about differential lock, it is select 4-wheel drive, okay? You can be in 2 or 4, and obviously if you're in 4-wheel drive, you want differential lock to lock the tires in whenever if you say you're getting into a situation where you think you're going to get stuck, you do have that option and that ability, okay? Next, this tractor comes with a 300E loader, all right? So this is our stationary standard loader that you will see on our 3E series and our 3Ds, okay? Once again, this is a stationary loader, so it stays to the frame, okay? It is not a quick disconnect, but it does come with a quick disconnect bucket, okay? Just like on many of our other tractors, it has a John Deere carrier style. It is a 2-pin. You take 2 latch pins out, bucket comes off, very simple and easy. Obviously, if that bucket comes off, you can put a set of pallet forks, you can do a brush grapple, you can do a snow blade. We have a lot of different options that John Deere and Frontier offer together, which makes it very, very versatile, okay? Next, we're going to talk about how this tractor does have independent braking, guys. So it does have 2 levers here, okay? So 1 pedal, so it's kind of on that old school way. It does have a certain brake for the right tire, and then it has a certain brake for the left tire too. Or if you want to do it in 1 synchronized step, there is a deal there where a lever where you can lock both of these together and you can push it in together, okay? This tractor does, and I will repeat this, does not have a mid-mount PTO, so you cannot do a mid-mount mower, but it does have a mechanical style 540 rear PTO, okay? So I'll kind of jump into what that means a little bit. A lot of our tractors have electronic, okay, where you just press a button, it flips the PTO on. This particular style is mechanical. It does have a little flap here, so it's a safety mechanism that you can flip up, and then so you can get in there and get down to your PTO shaft, and then obviously pull this lever or pull this plate back down that away. So if it does, you have any debris or anything that catches whenever this PTO is in motion, it doesn't come back up, hurt the tractor or hurt you. So it's a really nice safety feature. There's a little yellow lever here that you can push forward that engages the PTO, and then for it to be driven or for it to engage, you have to let out on the clutch, and then it starts up the PTO. Now this PTO does have a stall once you press in on the clutch, but then once you release it again, it will engage, okay? Very similar to like the Ford 8Ns back in the old school days. Another thing too, though, I always like to point out on the back side of the tractor here, not only is this a Category 1 hitch, so if you do have the quick hitch on it or not, obviously if you don't have it on here, so it's gonna be a Category 1 implement. It's gonna be for 4 to 5, maybe even 6 foot type of implements, as far as brush cutters, tillers, box blades, land planes, you name it, you got it. But this tractor also has an adjustable drawbar, which is really great. So if you want to put a trailer hitch or a trailer ball or something on that to move things around, that does have that capability. Guys, this tractor comes with foldable ROPS. So if you do say you're, once again, this is a great pulling tractor. So we have a lot of customers that buy this to pull tillers, brush hogs, trailers. Maybe they're pulling a cart around in their yard to pick up trees, limbs, whatever it may be. And once again, you're around a lot of trees, so this does have a foldable ROPS, so you can fold this down so you can get in a little bit closer to your trees so you don't have to do as much trimming. Guys, while I'm back here at the back end of the tractor, you see that this tractor does come standard, or I say standard, it is an optional piece, but we do have it equipped on this tractor. This is your iMatch quick hitch, okay? So once again, this allows you to hook up to your implements a lot faster and easier, but this does not come standard. I'll repeat this is not standard equipment. This is optional that you can purchase at your local dealer. Overall, this tractor is great for just that small to mid-sized property, maybe even on the large property size. It is kind of in our smaller utility line, being that the overall width, the overall length, just the overall size of it too. We have a saying here, you got to get your butt in the seat, jump on this tractor, take a test drive, see if this is something that you like. I mean, once again, you're not gonna know unless you've actually put your eyes on it and put your hands on it and know this is what you wanna do. Once again, this is a great overall tractor, small, mid, maybe even to that small, mid to large size property, has a lot of versatility, great, robust, heavy duty tractor. And last thing, guys, this tractor has a 2-year bumper to bumper warranty, 10-year warranty on powertrain hydraulics. There's a 4-year window, which we cover in there. That is no extra cost to you. Main thing is to keep maintenance on this tractor, and we have you covered up to 10 years. So guys, stop by your local dealership today, take advantage of what this tractor offers and see if you like it.